In calculating the integral of tangent to the third of x times secant to the fourth of x dx, let us try to see how we can split this up and write it in a nicer format. Remember that from pre-calculus, we have some basic information about relation between secant and tangent. From pre-calculus, we know that secant squared of x is equal to tangent squared of x plus 1, or tangent squared of x can be written as secant squared of x minus 1. Well, let us begin. I'm going to try to break this guy down into smaller pieces. I'm going to keep my tangent to the third power of x for now, and secant to the fourth, I'm going to divide this up into secant squared times secant squared. Very good. Now, pay attention. Here, if I take one of these secant squared, I can use tangent squared plus 1. So this guy can be written as the integral of tangent to the power 3 of x, and I'm going to copy this down. And then for this guy here, I'm going to write tangent squared of x plus 1, and then I have a dx. Let me copy down my dx with the same color that it was. Now what? Now, from calculus, if you use u sub, if you take u to be tangent of x, as you remember, du is equal to secant squared of x dx. Well, I have all the missing pieces. I have my du, which is secant squared of x dx. So let me use a different color for it. Du is secant squared of x dx, which is just right here. So this integral can be written as the integral of u to the third, and this guy is u squared plus 1, and this is just du. And I'm going to move to the other side. So this guy is equal to the integral of u to the third times u squared plus 1 and du, which is easy for you to calculate. This is nothing but, from calculus, the integral of u to the n du is u to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus constant of integration. This can be written as, if you distribute u to the third into parentheses, you get u to the fifth plus u to the third, and then du. Very good. So this integral is 1 over 6 u to power 6 plus 1 over 4 u to power 4 plus c. But what is u? U is tangent of x. So let us just substitute this guy back, and we have 1 over 6 tangent to power 6 of x plus 1/4 tangent to power 4 of x plus c. That's how we deal with powers of tangent and secant.